Hey guys, Brandon from SK Mechanic here, back to give you a little bit more insight on what could possibly be going on with your car. Occasionally we'll get a phone call from someone who's driving. Out of nowhere, they'll hear a crazy noise, their AC quits blowing cold, the power steering gets real tough, maybe the battery light comes on, it could even start overheating. When all those symptoms happen all at once and suddenly, we have to figure out what the common denominator between those symptoms are. Typically when a customer brings a vehicle in with a concern like that, this is what we find. A shredded up belt tangled every which way into anything it possibly could underneath the hood. When we look at a shredded belt like this, we can see the individual ribs of the belt have separated. They no longer look like this good belt here. The goal to correcting that is to get as much of this belt material removed as possible to hopefully save a few of those components. Generally, it'll be one like the alternator or the AC compressor or a power steering pump. We'll lock up, heat this belt up, and rip it to pieces.